You guys have a very strong advantage. You know what has happened in IIMs? If you go back, let's say we turn the clock back to 2000. So an MBA aspirant was giving CAT for ABCL, IK, maybe Shillong also. And if he did not get through any of these, he had XLRA through the ZAT, he had JBIMS through the CET Maharashtra, he had a few more colleges, SVJAN, etc. But if he did not get to one of these top 10 colleges, then the next level was at 92, 93, 94 percentile. 90 to 95 percentile band would give you colleges like TAPME and Kirloskar and those kind of colleges.
Even the IMT.
Even IMT, yes. But today what has happened is वो वाला बैंड के लिए तुम्हारे पास IIMs आ गए, new IIMs and baby IIMs आ गए. So ये जो 90-95% वाले colleges थे, which will give pretty good careers. If you look at IMT's history, I'm not endorsing any college here right now, but if you look at IMT's history, you will see that IMT or even colleges like MICA, etc., they have given so many industry leaders over the last 20 years, right? People who passed out of those. And those colleges now, because the 1995 is blocked by the IIMs and so many other B schools, so many options, those colleges have shifted down to 80, 85, 90.
Exactly.
It's a good time to be an MBA aspirant.